Hello. Um, I just wanted to make this video because I am kind of unsatisfied with the service I got at um, CarMax Repair. Uh, so I took my car in. It's a 2018 Traverse. I took it in because I was getting an AC check on my car, and the Freon was running low. While it was there, while we were dropping it off, they ran my truck. They backed it up into another car, and they said, "Oh no, we can repair it. No cost to you, this and that, and we'll have it done right, this and that, right?" So they gave it back to me. They said it was ready, and right as I'm picking it up, I went straight to the area where it was backed up into, which was my rear bumper. And I found that their repair was total crap. They basically just shot paint over the affected area, which wasn't even repaired. So I got this. You guys can see I'm a painter, so I know what to look for, and I know what kind of repair people do. And you can tell how this is just peeling away, and you can see how shiny the paint underneath is. It's not even sanded. It looks like they just shot over it and hoping that it would look fine. So this is my extension of the bumper, which was damaged. You can tell here where it was scratched, and they didn't even fix it. So my thing is, when you're taking it to CarMax, look for the affected areas and try to, in your sense, notice if it's done right or not. Don't just go by their word. Oh, it's ready, come and pick it up, and then you just pick it up, and then 2 months later it turns out to be crap like this. So just looking out for you guys. Look at this, it's not even sanded.